This video will explain how to open your new Century safe operating with a touchscreen keypad. To open the safe for the first time, you may need to remove the shipping screw on the inside of the safe. If you require additional instructions, please watch our how-to video explaining how to remove the shipping screw. Remove the battery compartment located on the inside of the door. Next, install 4 new AAA alkaline batteries into the battery compartment and insert the battery compartment back into the door. Your 5-digit factory code will be listed on your instruction manual. To open your safe, touch the right side of the keypad to awaken it. Please notice, touching the left side of the keypad will not awaken it. Enter the 5-digit code into the keypad. This safe is set to 65369. The green Proceed light will indicate the code is correct. Rotate the handle downward to open the door. Your safe is now ready to use.